So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can reset your password of Trust Wallet in Google Chrome. So guys, if you want to reset your password through your Google Chrome, then this video is for you. All you need to do is look at this top extension page over here, and once you tap there, just search for Trust Wallet. As you can see, it's right here, and tap on Trust Wallet, and now you have opened your Trust Wallet. So guys, in order to set your password, we can see this page now that says password and unlock, and right below you can see the option that says reset wallet. You just need to tap there, type on I understand, continue, and now guys, you can either choose to create a new wallet and choose a different password for yourself, or you can tap on import or recover wallet. It's important that you tap on this one, and this way you can just set a new password. So guys, just type in your new password now and confirm the new password, and tap on I have read and agreed to the terms of service, and tap on next. And in this way you have successfully reset your password of your Trust Wallet in Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.